Working with pipelines. Pipelines in TaxDome help you track the progress of similar jobs for different clients while allowing them to flow smoothly toward completion. They're a visual tool that's fully customizable to your firm's needs. To access pipelines, go to Workflow, then Pipelines from the left sidebar, and select the pipeline you want to work on. You can also access pipelines directly from client profiles from the Workflow tab. You'll see all pipelines with jobs for that client and their current progress. Once you're in a pipeline, you'll see the Kanban view with all jobs represented by cards. If you have a pipeline with many stages, you can collapse stages to reduce clutter and focus on what matters most. This is especially useful when you work with only certain stages, when different team members work on different parts of the workflow, or when your pipeline is too large to fit on one screen. To collapse a stage, select the collapse icon next to the stage name. The stage will collapse, showing only its name and the number of jobs it contains. To expand it again, select the expand icon. Your preferences are saved for each pipeline and will remain when you return. To start a new job, select Add Job, fill out the required information, and add it to the pipeline. You can perform several actions directly from job cards. Let's open one to explore. You can move a job to a different stage and change its priority. You can change the assignee for the job or remove one. You can activate or hide the client-facing status and add comments for your team members. On the top bar, you can track time spent on the job, which is useful for hourly billing. You can also attach tasks, chats, wiki pages, organizers, and more. From the menu, you can share a link to the job, archive it, or delete it. If you have many jobs in the pipeline, you can use filters to find specific jobs more easily. If you prefer to view jobs as a list rather than cards on the Kanban view, go to Workflow, then Jobs. Select Filter, choose a pipeline name and stage, and you'll see all jobs from that pipeline displayed as a list.